where it looks like the easy part of a query. It is also where interviews quietly separate juniors from seniors. Let's go all the way down. Every operator, the traps that catch people, and the tricks that keep it fast. First, when does where actually run? Not first. The database starts with from, then where filters individual rows, before any grouping, before select, before order by. That single fact explains everything else in this video. Here is what filtering really looks like. The database walks the table row by row and tests each one against your condition. Amount greater than or equal to 50. Pass, and the row moves to the result. Fail, and it is dropped on the spot. Just a yes or no test, one row at a time. Start with the basics. Equals, not equals. Written angle brackets or bang equals. And the four size comparisons. These are the workhorses of where, and they work on numbers, text, and dates alike. For range, between is cleaner than two comparisons. And remember, it is inclusive on both ends. For a set of values, use IN or not IN. But keep not IN in the back of your mind. One null in that list, and it quietly returns nothing. Matching text, like uses percent and underscore wildcards. I like does the same, but case insensitive. Need more power? Similar to adds regex, style, alternation, and the tilde operators give you full regular expressions. Tilde star for case insensitive. If this is helping the pieces finally click, take a second to subscribe and like. It genuinely helps the channel reach more people prepping for interviews. Okay, back to it. Now the single most common where mistake. Where something equals null returns 0 rows. Always. Null means unknown, and under 3-valued logic unknown can never equal anything, not even another null. To test for it, you must use is null or is not null. So how do you compare two columns when either might be null? Normal equals returns unknown and drops the row, is distinct from, and is not distinct from. Treat null as a real, comparable value, giving you a clean true or false every time. Combining conditions? Watch precedence, and always binds tighter than or. So A and B or C secretly means A and B or C. When you mix them, wrap your intent in parentheses. It costs nothing and saves you from silent, wrong results. Any and all compare a value against a set or an array. Greater than all means bigger than every element. Equals any means it matches at least one, which is exactly what IN is under the hood. Handy when the set comes from a subquery. Filtering against another table. Exists is your friend. It stops at the very first matching row, so it is often faster than IN. And unlike not IN, it does not break when the subquery contains a null. Reach for exists and not exist by default. A quick but costly detail. Quoting. Numbers are bare. Text and dates must be wrapped in single quotes. Quote a number and posters may do a slow implicit cast. Forget quotes on text and you get a syntax error. Match the literal to the column type. This one bites everyone. Put a condition on the right table of a left join in the where clause, and you silently turn it back into an inner join. The unmatched rows vanish. If you want to keep them, move that condition up into the on clause. And where does sorting fit? After filtering, where trims the rows first, then order by sorts whatever survives. That is not just the logical order, it is the fast one, because there are far fewer rows left to sort. Quick recap. 1. Where filters rows early, before grouping. 2. Null needs is null, never equals. 3. Parenthesize mixed and or. 4. On a left join, filter the right table and on, not where. That is where, all the way down. Master these, and you will filter with confidence and answer the tricky questions cold. If it helped, subscribe. The next deep dive is coming soon.